Hello traders, happy August 1st. Look at this Fibonacci dance this morning. Market opened up at this Fibonacci resistance, identified weeks in advance. And here is market right now, respecting Fibonacci support, identified weeks in advance. Fibonacci reminding you, this is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Identical dance that's happening on your day trading chart on S&P in a play on Tesla. Identical strategy, all the same. Knowing the rules, knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit, you must absolutely obey by the rules. What Tesla will do next with this Fibonacci support, holding the key on Tesla for weeks and months to come. The same exact thing on S&P. Except on S&P you're witnessing it instantly, as this is day trading chart. No delays, all in the live markets each and every day. This is a chart you use for your day trading entries on charts 1 minute higher. If you trade Tesla or pound or ETFs or stocks or options, does not matter. Formula remains the same. Knowing the rules for your entry will determine your success. And that's what we've been monitoring since market open. And that's what I've been warning you. Fibonacci levels always present. Trades are not. Market been stuck in bullish correction 3 minutes since we open. Buyers are weak. We have 60% sellers, 40% buyers. Knowledgeable trader understands that. Knowledgeable trader knows trade can be placed only when rules are met. We are interested in bullish strengths, not bullish weakness. But every single trade in front of you from Fibonacci levels can be taken only if rules are met. Price comes to reversal zone, rules are met, take short. This morning we're sitting at Fibonacci support. This is exact same chart, exact same strategy that's been present in front of you for years. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room for the last 7 years. All proprietary strategies, all proprietary rules. Remember bullish rally that started at the start of 2016? Taking a major pause at the end of the minor trend for months? Identical resistance as currently in a play in front of you on day trading hourly chart. Where is S&P right now? At Fibonacci Reversal Zone, institutional resistance. What is the problem? Institutions not shorting this market. If you understand that as a day trader, and if you understand the rules, every single short remains against institutional orders. However, expect institutional sell-off. We are at historical highs. We are at institutional reversal zone, identified by proprietary Fibonacci strategy I developed in 2008. Strategy I've been teaching to traders from beginner to hedge fund trader in US and globally. So here comes the buyers. They're picking up the steam. Extreme caution traders. Buyers remain extremely weak. Knowledgeable trader knows and understands that this is the area that will create ultimate pain in your trading. Do you know that? Do you know that it's a counter trend move? Do you appreciate that? If you're confined to trading room hours, that's absolutely crucial. 2473, holding the key. Look at Facebook, my goodness! That's exact same strategy. Do you remember where Facebook collapsed from last week? All the same. What you choose to trade? Absolutely up to you. 2473, identical to what 178 was on Facebook. Price action the same everywhere. What you trade, absolutely up to you. And that's the pickle on S&P this morning. Will buyers finally skyrocket it, or we're gonna be held hostage forever? Both trends are minor. We had 60% sellers, 40% buyers. But this Fibonacci support kept you out of trouble if you are dying to short this market. But will buyers become powerful enough to blast through this level? Or will they collapse, just like oil had done from 55? Look at that. Bullish trend is minor on oil. What oil will do tomorrow morning during news will be quite fascinating to see. Here is S&P. You always choose between two evils. You always know extremely well. Shorting into this hot pink support, never an option. Ever. If you ever short into this hot pink support, your success rate less than 15%. 2473 is everything on S&P. Once again, we are on the right side of the market. Once again, we stayed out through fluff, through nonsense. As I continue warning you, 3 minutes since market open, shorts into Fibonacci support not an option. If you know the rules and you separate correction from reversal, that's everything. 2473, holding the key. Only if you play by the rules, you can accomplish success in day trading. Every single tick matters. Fly S&P, just like Apple had done. Remember that? Horrific earnings did not mean a thing. 2473, the end of the minor trend to the upside. This level is out. Buyers are fully in charge. This level is not out. Sellers reminding you. 60% sellers, 40% buyers. This is your range now. And that's how you trade. You know where Fibonacci support is? You never short near. You understand that we still have 60% sellers and 40% buyers? You know extremely well how important this barometer chart is. Holding the key. No need to wait days, weeks and months to witness the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly, every day. S&P is struggling at 2473, shock or not. How did we know that that would be a problem? Fibonacci said so. Exact same way as Fibonacci said on Netflix. Remember that? Shock or not. Stunning earnings did not mean a thing as Netflix collapsed from 127, taking months to break through this level. And look at that, another spectacular earning did not mean a thing. It's a reversal zone. Expect reversal. You know the rules, you know extremely well. You must buy well before reversal zone. Never, ever, ever at reversal zone. And that's what S&P doing now in your day trading chart. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Formula remains the same. Strategy remains the same. Psychology and risk management is everything. What kind of trader you are, only you know. Do you like to be in a trade 5 minutes? 5 days? 5 months? How did we know that this level would be a problem? Exact same way as we knew on Apple. Exact same way as we knew on Netflix. Identical strategy. 60% sellers, 40% buyers, holding the key. To the tick. Problem is on. No need to wait for days, weeks and months. It's all the same. You master price action, you can trade anything. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Here we are. Shock or not, this Fibonacci resistance is present. 2473 is an obstacle. Both trends are minor. If you know where these levels are, you don't get in trouble. Both trends are minor. This is your range. If you do know that, if you can play by the rules, the skies are the limit. What a dance! Present in front of you. Fibonacci levels identified weeks in advance keep day trader out of trouble. Never cease to amaze me how easy newbie traders learn the method. Method that applies to any instrument, any time frame. The power of bad habits, the power of good habits never cease to amaze me. Quite an example this morning. Quite a dance. And that's what you must respect each and every time before you play a trade. Only Fibonacci will keep you out of trouble. Only Fibonacci will show you where this key support and key resistance is. This key support and key resistance always present, no matter what you trade. No matter if it's Tesla, no matter if it's Euro, no matter if it's S&P. Where we've been stuck for almost 2 hours with both trends are minor. Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble. Once again. Ladies and gentlemen, is that possible we are on the right side of the market? Is that possible? 2473 will be a major obstacle. Is that possible? We stayed out through so much junk, so much fluff. Will 2473 be finally out? Do you know to move your stop outside of break-even? Do you know that this is holding the key? Quite a pickle we dealt with this morning. 2473 is everything. On this trade to the tick, it's 2472.75. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well when this level is reached, you must move your stop outside of break-even. Shock or not, that's how you trade. When you stay out from fluff, when rules are met. respecting 24.72.75, moving your stop outside of break-even, holding the key to your trading. If you will ever disrespect this level, if you will choose to stay in your trade just because you are greedy, ouch, it will not work. Especially if you understand sellers remain fully in charge. This is counter-trend bullish move. We are on the right side of the market. Happy August 1st. Never ever ever disrespect your target. Move your stop outside of break-even. Boom. Warned you. 3 minutes since the open. If you ever short near the support, success is not possible. Will 24.73 be finally out? If you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Students keep updating results. How many lots you trade, absolutely up to you. Every single student, different lot size. How many points you are up depends on you. Do you want to be still in this trade, or did you get out completely because you're trading single lot size? How many lots, Lee? How many lots, Carol? Please give us updates, guys. 10 lots for Lee on 2 points. 10 lots, 2 points, it's $1,000. So is Carol. 10 lots, 2 points. Look at that. What a spectacular reminder. Knowledge is power. 24.73 remains brutal obstacle, remember? Buyers are weak, quite the pickle. Both trends are minor. So if you're witnessing the accuracy of the method and you would like to join us, I look forward to hearing from you. Please find all the information under Learn. Please review everything online. And remember, all classes are live, modules are supplemental. And remember, you master price action, you master Fibonacci, you will never use indicator ever again, because you will see instantly after one class that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. And if you master price action and Fibonacci, you can trade anything as long as you play by the rules. Everything you learn in the course completely proprietary and applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. Look forward to hearing from you. info@fibainstitute.com.